Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Samrat Law Scholar. Today I shall discuss about a new topic which is related to criminal court practice. The effect of delay in sending the copy of FIR. Dear, as we know that the delay in sending the copy of FIR to the magistrate concerned does not by itself render the whole case of prosecution, but shall keep the court on guard to find out as to whether the version as stated in the court was the same version as earlier reported in the FIR, or was the result of deliberation involving some other people who were not involved in the commission of the crime. Wherever delay found is required to be explained by the prosecution, and if delay is reasonably explained, no adverse inference can be drawn. But failure to explain the delay, the court is required to minutely examine the prosecution version as to whether any innocent person has been implicated in the commission of crime or not. It was held that in the case of Ravi Kumar versus State of Punjab 2005 Supreme Court 199. Apart from that, where there is a delay of 7 days in sending the copy of FIR to the magistrate concerned, the delay is to be required or to be explained by the investigating officer, and it cannot be reasonably explained by the same officer. An adverse presumption can be made against the veracity of the prosecution story. It was held that in the case of Chotu versus State of Haryana 1996, and one point should also be noted down that a court holiday cannot be a ground for delay in sending the copy of FIR to the magistrate, because the requirement of law is that the FIR should reach the magistrate without undue delay. And it was also held that in the case State of Rajasthan versus Teja Singh Supreme Court 919 Criminal Law Journal 1176. दोस्तों, अभी हमने पढ़ा कि FIR की कॉपी में डिले होने से क्या क्या हो सकता है। जहाँ तक लॉ की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो यही है कि FIR होने के बाद उसे तुरंत मजिस्ट्रेट के पास पहुँचा देना चाहिए। अगर फिर भी किसी तरह की देरी हो जाती है उसमें, और जो डिले हुआ उस डिले को हमें मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने रीजनेबली एक्सप्लेन कर देना चाहिए, ताकि केस में किसी भी प्रकार का नेगेटिव इम्प्रेशन ना पड़े। और उसके साथ साथ कोर्ट हॉलीडे का कोई मैटर नहीं होता डिले FIR करने का। अगर कोर्ट हॉलीडे है तो भी FIR की कॉपी तुरंत मजिस्ट्रेट के पास पहुंचानी चाहिए, और हमें उस डिले को एक्सप्लेन करने की भी ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू डियर, बाय बाय।